Can you say Monday?
Monday.
Tuesday? Wednesday? Thursday? What's a monkey say? What's a monkey say, Eva? What's a chicken say? Where's your armpit? Good job. Where's your nose?
Nose.
Yes. Where's your eye?
Eye.
Good job. Where's your hair?
Family.
Where's your eye? Where's your hair? Good job. Where's your cheek?
Lip.
Cheeks. Good job. Where's your elbow?
Elbow.
Good job. Where's your fingers?
Finger.
Good job. Where are your toes? Where's your toe? In there? Yeah. Good job. Ava, what's a tiger say?
Yeah.
Good job. What's a sheep say?
Ba.
Good job. What does a doggy say?
Wolf.
What does a cat say?
No.
Good job. What's an owl say?
Oh.
Good job. Can you say yay?
Yay.
Tá.
Da.
Good job. Can you say muối?
Ui.
Bí.
Bí.
Bảy.
Bảy.
Bốn. Bốn.
Cô. Bọt. Cô.
Tám.
Bọt.
Can you say ế?
Da.
Tá. Can you say ế?
Ê.
Bí.
Bí.
Xí.
Si.
Đi. Đi.
Di.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G. H.
H.
I.
I.
J.
T.
K.
K.
L.
L.
M. M. No M? You're done with numbers? I mean alphabet? You want to do numbers?
No.
No. Can you say yes?
Yes.
Good job. Can you say okay?
Okay.
Good job. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you do chum riệp xúa? Good job. Can you say hi? Good job. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Good job. Can you blow a kiss? Good job.